Hi, I'm Michelle Hayes, and this video is for a sensory integration class at Nova Southeastern University. Sensory integration is the process the brain uses to take in and organize all the information received from our sensations. These sensations are organized into perceptions, which allow us to make sense of and react to the world around us. These sensations include taste, touch, smell, sight, and hearing, but also relation to gravity, the position of the body, and movement of the body. Knowing where the body is in space is essential for learning how to crawl and walk. Sensory integration must be developed in children as they grow. This is done through interacting with the world around them through play and exploration. When the brain does a poor job integrating sensations, it can cause many problems for a developing child, such as behavior problems, difficulty concentrating, hyperactivity, learning difficulties, problems reading and writing, speech and language delays, as well as decreased muscle tone and decreased coordination. Infants with poor sensory integration may have delayed milestones such as rolling over, crawling, standing, and walking. Some infants may not display any problems with sensory integration until later in life. Young children with poor sensory integration tend to be clumsy and choose toys that aren't difficult. They may display a speech and language delay or may not listen well. When sensory integration is poor for young children between the hands and the eyes, they may have difficulty cutting and pasting and coloring between the lines. When the sensory integration coming from the skin is poor, it may be difficult for a child to be close to other people. They may be uncomfortable with rough textures touching them. They may display behaviors such as kicking, hitting, or biting when another child or person gets close to them. Poor sensory processing may not be noticed until the child reaches school age. Once in school, they may encounter many problems. They may have trouble learning in school with all the distractions. They may have trouble concentrating on the school material. A child may become hyperactive in school because they're unable to organize the sensations coming in. While no one has perfect sensory integration, it must be addressed when problems with sensory integration cause difficulties in school and difficulties developing. Poor sensory integration displays differently from child to child. Sensory integration dysfunctions and sensory integration disorders, such as sensory processing disorder, must be diagnosed by someone trained in sensory integration.